What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Maja_KE. If you're new here, guys, welcome, and tell a neighbor to subscribe, like the video. Kindly like the video, guys, please, and let the comments come. You know, when we get the comments, now we know where we are wrong and where we are right, guys. This is Maja_KE, of course, the village Buga, and back here, guys. The last time I was here also, and unfortunately we didn't get to deliver a message here to my big sister, but today now we're back, and she was sick, but now she's okay, I believe, and now I'm okay, guys, and not I'm okay, she's okay. And everything is good. Yeah, so we are here to visit again, guys. If you remember this beautiful place here, guys, so amazing, yeah. Let me show you a little bit of this place. Yeah, this is how it looks like. We have maybe guest room or a resting room over there, which is very nice, guys. Yeah, we are here, and we are waiting for her so that we can talk. It's about to rain. Yeah, it's drizzling. Ooh, challenges, but anyway, guys, everything is good, and of course I have Pope Africa here. Say hi,
guys. My name is Pope Africa, and today I've accompanied my brother Maja to this area. I'm so grateful that the weather of today is kind of drizzling. For farmers it's better, because we expect a lot of rain so that at least our crops can grow well. So guys, my name is Pope Africa in my YouTube channel, and my content is all about farming and how the village looks like. If you are not able to visit this village, just go watch Pope Africa and you'll feel at home. And you'll know more about farming and other things that are happening here in the village. And it's a ceremony season, guys, our cultural season. Like, maybe you should get to know our culture deeply, so kindly subscribe to Pope Africa so that can show you how our culture is.
Exactly, guys. Yeah, watch the space. So guys, we are going to have, this is not hot seat here, but it's a very beautiful house for my sister here. Very beautiful and very nice. So we're going to talk to her. The last video I did with her, there was a very good comment over there, because you know, right now the village is, I don't know the right way to put it. I don't know if it's scattered or, yeah. So we really want, and I really want to believe that we want to bring the village together. And I thought of grit and meat is a very good thing, because the last time we did it, and it was very amazing. Thank you so much for the people who turned at the meet and greet. I also believe that was the first meet and greet which I did near Nasto, and people turned out. And now when I came to visit my sister, and we did a very nice video. By the way, go watch it. It's a very good video. Of course, you know me, guys, I do educative video and motivation videos. Like, I want to motivate someone who is out there, and yeah, and tell him, like, be straight. Life is just like, we have ups and downs, but be yourself, fight. And also my sister, my big sister here, she's I really respect her because of what she is doing in this community. She, by the way, she has never shown you, like, or told you guys, or on her channel. She has a channel, like, what she does in the village to change, like, change the narrative and everything. She has never said that on camera, on her camera, of course. But when I came here, she told me on camera here, and a subscriber from here told me like, oh wow, she's doing amazing and amazing job, and like can we what the guy said, can we what way can we try and support that? So I came here to tell her like someone told me that, and I get to know how we can help what she's doing, guys. So we say watch the space, huh? Yeah, so big up to Mr. Cecile, you're so amazing, and big up to our big brother Ayamaro, you're so amazing. So and now the main reason I'm here today, I remember the last time we were here, but unfortunately, as I said before, she was not feeling well. Yeah, so the main reason I'm here is to deliver the message, and then to maybe connect her to the person who said, and I said that I pin her link on my channel so that he can watch her videos, then and see how we can help each other to do what she's doing more on her channel. So guys, we're here, and don't forget, this is Maj_KA, of course, the village Buga. Peace and love. Let's meet our people. Yeah. So guys, we're here. This is also a big brother, a brother to my big sister, that is Nano. Yeah, you remember him? The not episode, huh? Yeah, say hi.
Yeah, how you doing, people? Nice to see you guys again. Welcome home. Just relaxing. Here with my little cousin. What's up, bro?
I'm good.
Yeah.
How have you been? You know, I've been looking for you also for a very long time, guys.
Yo, we keep missing each other. You come when I'm
busy
left,
man.
yeah.
Yes, busy man. And today now we have come today, and thank the Almighty that I met all of my cousins at home. And how has it been like now here in the village? You know,
It's good. It's good. I can see it's been raining a little bit. You know, so we thank God for that. You know, obviously, you know, here people are farming, so we definitely need the rain.
yeah.
Other than that, we're good. We're good. Enjoying it here. Though maybe pretty soon I'll be going back to Nairobi for a week or 2 or 3, and then I'll come back again.
Yeah.
But I'll definitely be here for Christmas.
Cool. Yeah. You have to be here because we have our sister Pascalia. She's coming back home.
Oh, she's coming?
December, and we have a goat that we have to.
Oh, there's going to be a party.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. So for her to
You don't even
drink the soup. So
Yeah.
you know she's.
Yeah, I know what she's going
Yeah.
to.
Yeah. So
I'd love to see her. It's been a while since I saw her.
Yeah.
Yeah. But she's doing good though.
Yeah, she's doing good.
Yeah.
Right now, she's going for her last chemo. I think
Okay.
on 15th. Yes, she's going for her
Her last chemotherapy. Okay.
Yeah.
She's in our prayers. Obviously, we wish her all the best. We know she's making a good recovery. You know, and that's what's going to make December special, because now,
Yeah.
you know, we also
We'll have
celebrate her with her
and
you know.
meet the family. Like,
Yeah, meet you know, all families are going to be coming in,
Yeah,
so
right.
yeah, it's going to be nice.
Yeah.
Barbecues,
yeah.
we're going to have a lot of fun.
Maybe we're gonna borrow the
The thing for,
Yeah.
anytime.
yeah, we're gonna borrow that, guys. So guys, if you don't know him, is my biggest or bigger cousin.
Yeah.
What is the right English?
I'm your cousin, but I'm the
Oldest.
oldest cousin of all the cousins you have.
Yeah, of course. And me, I don't like even calling you cousin.
No, bro,
Yeah, brother.
Of course.
Yeah. So guys, we had like an it was no, me, I keep on forgetting this. Not episode.
Docu series. So
Docu series,
yes.
of course, yes, Docu series. This is very hard word for me because he told me that Docu series, but our Docu series never ended. It's just that he was so busy, and when I come, he's not there, and when he come, I'm not there. But you know, we have to hustle and to make ends meet. But anyway, guys, I really appreciate you. You know, most of maybe families are not even friends, or you know, being a cousin and also being a friend is something different.
Yeah, it's a big deal. It's a big
Yeah,
deal.
it's a big deal. So he's a big friend of mine, big friend of my big brother, big friend. You know, we are family. Like Kina Pope, you know.
We
guys.
are family. Exactly.
Exactly.
You know, family always comes first, but sometimes there's too much infighting within families, you know, and that's why we gotta keep the family at least tight, then move on to to friends, because also friends become family. You know, if they're good friends, acquaintances, associates, they also become like family. And it's important that we keep that unity, we keep that love going, you know.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. So this cousin of mine, I really respect him because he's a real deal. That is all I can say. A real deal. Very serious and very focused, and a person who can show you like, don't do this, do this. Maja, you're wrong. Maja, right.
Yeah, I don't want him to make the mistakes that I've done, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I've done a lot of bullshit mistakes. So that's why I keep telling me, don't do that, because I've been there before.
Yeah.
You know? So I want him to surpass whatever heights that I've reached or will reach. He needs to go further, and that means he doesn't make the same mistakes that I did.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. So we don't want to go deep in, or we can go deep into the mistakes.
Nope.
No.
Nope.
No. Yeah. So guys,
I mean, it's just life
maybe
mistakes. Everyone knows what I'm talking about.
Everyone makes mistakes. Everyone. If you're human, you will always make mistakes. Trust me. So it's very good to be corrected, and you
Exactly.
answer to the correction. Is that the correct English?
Yeah.
Yeah, you correct yourself when you are told this is not right. You correct. Come. You correct yourself, and yeah, everything moves on. And what do you think about the YouTube in Nyabohansi? Yes.
The YouTube it's good. You guys are trying to do your thing. Chill out. You guys are trying to do your thing. You know, stay positive.
Exactly. You know, we have some people who are not positive. That's why I'm asking, what do you think about the negative people in Nyabohansi? What do you tell them? Like the way I said, like you advise me in a positive way. Like, Maja, you should do this, don't do this. What do you think about the negative people who talk about some people, or people who wait for some content, like you wait for my content, or I am Marwa's content, or someone else's content to react on it? What do you think about that? Like right now we came here, it's raining, we are here doing content, looking for very good content and a positive content, trying to inspire some young men outside there, some people who have lost hope, some people who, what do you think about that?
Well, the thing is this, not all content will be the same. As you said, there's some people who are reactors, who will react to, let's say, whatever you put or what other people put. So all I can say is this, in life, right, criticism is okay. We actually want constructive criticism in our lives, because if it also it makes us better. But sometimes the people who the criticism is not constructive, it's purely negative. It's really like they're just trying to look for views, or they're trying to be relevant, and really people see right through that. If you're a reactor and your criticism is on point but it's constructive, then that's fine. But if it becomes like backstabbing and that kind of bullshit that I see a lot of people doing, people will see through that. People will see through that nonsense. You know, you'll keep on doing that, and your channel will not grow anywhere. You know, people are able to differentiate between constructive criticism and bullshit. Now, those people have to make a decision. Am I going to be on this side of the constructive criticism, or am I going to be on the side of bullshit? And if you're on the side of bullshit, you know what happens to bullshit. You know, bullshit, we kick it out of here. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah. It just had.
Look. Even you, I've already told you before. You can say anything to me. You can criticize me anyway. So long as it's constructive, you know, like, yo, bro, this is bullshit, this and this. That's fine, you know. But some of this crap I hear a lot of people talking about, man, that's some bitch shit. You know what I mean? Because really, you know, men were not supposed to be backbiting and backstabbing each other and shit like that. That's shit that bitches do. Not even real women don't even do that. Only some silly ass, whack ass bitches are the ones who be doing that useless shit. So
sorry for that one, guys.
Oh, sorry. I don't worry, you're not gonna get censored.
Yeah.
You're gonna get censored. I'm just saying, stay positive. Criticism, make it constructive. You know, that's what we want to see. If there's something that you see that is messed up in his content, even if it's this content, just give us some constructive criticism, because what you're doing is you're making his channel better and you're making yours better. But if it's some nonsense, backstabbing nonsense, see ya. Huh?
We see you. We see ya.
Yeah.
You know. Yeah. So guys, this is words from my bigger cousin, and I always come here to seek maybe advice about everything, like what I'm going through or what I'm always open to you, Leo. Is it true?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I'm always open to him.
My door is always open for you, anytime, day or night.
Yeah, so I'm always here to seek maybe for advice also. You know, you have also to go out to your bigger brothers to seek for advice, and my big sister here, which we are going to talk also to her and get more of this, and also
you know with her you're gonna get that heat.
Yeah,
you know what I mean.
You know, I really fear.
Yeah, she's gonna tell you exactly
straight.
what it is. At least me, I'm sugarcoating it.
Yeah.
You know,
she's always straight to the point, and and what she does here in the village, I really respect her.
And she's doing big things. Respect to you, Nano. Big things.
Yeah.
Auntie.
1,000 journeys. I respect you, big sister, and may God bless you abundantly. And we are going to talk to her, guys, and to get to know about how we can make this village change, and also greet and meet, and
we need
also
to make this village change, definitely.
Yeah. And also change the village.
There's a lot of cool people in this village, a lot. I meet them every day.
Yeah,
there's a lot of
we have
smart people here. You know, there's people have so much potential. A lot of people, it's maybe the doors haven't opened for them, or the opportunities haven't come. But I mean, I'm hoping that you will show the good that comes out of this area, you know, and maybe we see what happens from there.
Yeah, for me, I believe we just have few people who are maybe trying to disappoint our village, but we are here to make Nyabohanse a better place. And as you can see, this is a multi-million place.
I mean, they always say there's always one rotten apple in a bunch of good apples. So you know, that's unfortunately the nature of life. There's always going to be that one or a couple people that basically are just negative, but those ones you ignore, and you concentrate on what's good. You concentrate on the positive people, the positive vibes, and that's it. Eventually those negative people will come around, and they'll also become positive, because whenever you're going down the wrong path, you'll hit a dead end, so you'll have to turn back and come back again to get on the right path. So,
exactly. Yeah. Thank you so much, bro.
Yeah.
So we are going not to the hot seat, but to the right place where we can. What is it? We are going now to talk to our sister. You know, she's very tough.
Anyway,
And
people, nice talking to you guys again. Maybe there will be a next time, you know. Anytime you
of
wanna
course,
have a
of course.
chat.
We have the
Docu series.
the Docu series, of
Yes.
course. That I have to write it down. Docu series, we have it, and we will be doing it with my cousin here, and yeah, it's so big, so many stories. You have so many stories to tell.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Stories galore. Too many.
Yeah, imagine, guys. So keep watching. We say watch the space. That is Mr. Cecil. Watch the space, guys. We are going to have a lot of stories with Leo. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, we're here now with our sister, our big sister, guys, and I always tell you that, like, I really appreciate her and also my bigger sister Pascalia. Yeah, advices, everything. We call something also called the musomo. You get from here. Yeah, you get from here. So I really love you, sister. Thank you so
that's
much
why I
for
love you
always
too.
being there for me
Thank you.
and supporting. So maybe introduce yourself.
I'm Claudia again. I'm Maja's older sister. I brought him up. We've had a few visits. This is my fourth video with you, I think.
Yeah, fourth video.
video with him. So yeah, this is my mom's house. This is home. We're here with Maja. Karibu sana.
Thank you so much.
Tell us.
So no, Claudia, but
Oh yeah,
thousand-
I have a YouTube channel. Sorry, my YouTube channel is called Journey of 1,000 Voices.
Yeah.
We deal with topics about women and what they go through, child abuse, and everything to do with women. We are pro women here. Go women.
Very strong. The last time I was here, guys,
Yeah.
to deliver a message, she was sick.
Yeah, I was very
Yeah,
sick.
but God is good now. She's okay.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, so yes, so the message is, let me just go to the point, then we start talking.
Okay.
Subscriber, the last video we did, a subscriber told me like she needs your channel.
My channel name
yeah,
is Journey of
Yeah.
1,000 Voices. Journey
of
of
1,000
voices.
voices,
Yeah.
so that we can see how we can help each other in like in the village, in what you're doing. Yeah, and that is what we want in the village, of course. That we help some young ladies or older ladies who are abused in the village. That is the main point that we are talking.
We were talking about early teenage pregnancies last
Yeah,
time.
yeah.
Yes.
So so what do you tell people about early teenage? And
As I said last time, early teenage pregnancy, sometimes, majority of the time, especially in this village, majority of the pregnancy is carried by these young ladies because of, maybe sometimes we'll say peer pressure,
yeah,
sometimes we'll say circumstances, poverty especially, is one of the key factors that plays into this. Sometimes we'll say like lack of, parents don't sit down with their children and give them that talk. You know, tell them about the birds and the bees and what you should and shouldn't do. And we also have situations whereby parents actually push their children to go and get married or get pregnant so that they can trap these young boys and get dowry from them or bride price. So there are different scenarios or different things that lead or build up to that, to the teenage pregnancies.
and
So,
yeah, what exactly pushed you maybe to change that, or trying to change?
What I deal with mostly is I deal with many cases. I deal with children of abuse, women, sexual, physical abuse. We deal with women who have been neglected by their husbands, widows. But majority of the people who I deal with personally are women who have gone through abuse, children who have gone through abuse, both physical and sexual. My home is where people run to most of the time, especially women who go through that. We've had a lot of people. We even have a girl there right now who is there. I think you saw her, but she's
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
So that's what I deal with. I'm very passionate about that. I've been a victim of physical abuse, sexual abuse, so I can speak candidly and say that this is something that I am very passionate about. I don't want people or girls to think that it's something that only happens to them. It's something that happens everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. So nice. So at least as I started, I said like we have to get a grit and meat, and also we have to help this maybe whatever. Even me, I'm into that, as you know. What do you need to support more? This kind of maybe.
Okay, the program that I have. What we actually need right now is just support, be it in terms of clothes, be it in terms of pads, be it in terms of mental support. Like we can have people even just calling and just encouraging the girls, especially women who have gone through it. It's always good to hear from another woman's perspective so that you don't feel like you're alone. If you say in terms of support, we need to support our girls or our women. When a girl gets pregnant, doesn't mean it's the end of the world. It doesn't mean that she should run and get married to the first person. You understand? And that is now where that cycle continues and continues and continues. And that's where we get generational curses that keep on repeating themselves over and over and over again. So we can train the girls. We have TVET schools whereby you can take a child, they can go and learn hairdressing, they can go and learn carpentry, engineering, plumbing. They're not expensive. So we encourage them that, you know what, you made a mistake. It has happened, but get up. Face your life. You decided to become a mother, then you have to take the responsibility of becoming a mother. And you have to hold your head up high because it's not the end of the world. And you're not the first person to ever get pregnant. And you'll never be the last.
Yeah.
So that's, for us, that's what we encourage them. That's how we encourage them. Like, you have to do something.
Yeah.
Get your life back on track.
Yeah.
Because if you don't, you're going to lose your mind. And once you lose your mind, you have lost everything.
Guys, you can hear from her. That is a very good thing, and that is what we need in the village. We need people like her, guys. What do you think? We need people like her to help. Yeah, of course, to help, not to demolish what people have really done. So for me, I think I'm in for it. And also, what do you think about us like doing is it a conference or what?
I told
like
you I'm
we
up
have,
for it. You organize it, I'll come, I'll speak. I don't speak Korea as fluently as most people, but I do speak Swahili very well. I can speak to them. I know most Kenyans do understand Swahili.
Yeah.
Most people do understand it, so we can sit down and speak. We need to speak to their mothers. We need to speak to their fathers. We need to speak to the girls themselves, even the young boys. You need to tell people like, listen, these are consequences to everything.
Yeah, sure.
When you lie to a girl and you know that what you're doing is wrong, and you sleep with her and get her pregnant and then decide, okay, I'm going to run away, you're leaving that girl with that responsibility.
Yeah, sure. So guys, these are stories, good stories that you have never heard on TV. Now you're hearing live from my sister here.
Oh, yes.
And go check her channel, guys.
Please, guys, Journey of
Kindly,
1,000 Voices. I've not been uploading,
Journey.
but I am going to start uploading very soon.
I
Yeah.
have a question for you. What challenges do you face? Well,
Challenges.
Yes.
Most of the challenges I face, funny thing, is actually from the male persons in the community. Most of them feel like I am a rebel. And a rebel being that what they're trying to hide in the dark, I'm trying to bring it out in the light. Because most families, when maybe there's like sexual abuse, most people will not want to speak about it. They want to bury it under the rug, especially if it's between family members. Maybe one family member has abused a child, so they don't want to go to court.
they
So,
settle family.
they want to settle it out of court, and they want to settle it in the family. But now what happens when the same child has been abused in that environment, and then you take back that same child to that same environment, and the abuser is still there? What happens? Are you helping that child? No, you're not.
Yeah.
So now, in terms of security, in terms of threats, yes, we do have threats. I get threats, but I don't care. I actually do not care.
So what do you do
strong
like,
woman
to prevent the threats? How do you live with the threats?
I'm actually a very tough woman, so nothing phases me. I don't think there's anything that phases me.
Yeah.
I am a Korean woman. You cannot threaten me in my own land. You cannot threaten me in my father's land. So you know what? I'm going to keep on doing it. And what is good, and what is wrong is wrong. You have to stand up for something. If I say that the first threat I get, then I'm going to like pull back, then who's going to help those children? Who's going to help those women? Yeah?
Sure.
So you have to, there is no way that anything that you plan to do, everything has opposition. Even now when you're as a YouTuber, just normal vlogs, you have opposition.
Yeah, a lot of them.
Yeah, and you're not even doing anything
Abuses.
serious. Exactly.
Yeah.
So you hold your head up high and you move on and you pray like the video reaches the right people, and you pray that whatever you're doing reaches God will open the doors and because as it is, it's very dangerous for me to be hosting people in my house because that is a security threat. So now I have to hire a security company. You understand? But that is my home. There should be a difference between the home and where I do the business.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah.
So another question maybe, if you don't mind.
No problem.
So how have you tried to eradicate female genital mutilation?
Number one, I thank God that I've never been a victim of female genital mutilation. I'm a Korean woman, but I never underwent that, and it's a very good thing. I have not been advocating for female genital mutilation because there are other people who do that. There are people who are actually doing that, and they've been doing it for years. So I've never actually advocated for that. I have never. I will not say that I have.
And can I say that that's one of the main reasons as to why most of females or young ladies here are being, maybe they're being oppressed?
No.
I think that's the main reason.
The main reason our women are being oppressed is because of you men.
What?
Yes, the mentality that you people have. You have this God complex. You think that women are below you and beneath you, and the women in your community are not human beings. I'm sorry, but I like to speak about women. And you feel like the women have no say, and the woman should listen to what you have to say. And one of the reasons why you people practice FGM is because you want to control the woman. Because once the woman opens up her mind and opens up, when I say opens up, like she actually knows who she is. Once she does that, she will never, ever, ever want to listen to what you people are saying. I'm not saying it's bad to listen to what men are saying.
Yes,
but the men
not
in our society,
every man.
No.
Yes.
You know that for a fact. The Korean man is abusive.
And
Really?
98% of Korean men are abusive.
I know.
Whether they want, yes, they are.
Even me.
Yes, they. Idea, you're young. You're young. So I will not speak on that. I've never had any case of you abusing a girl or abusing a woman. You were brought up right, and you know your sister will
Can you
mess
say
you up.
the men that are abusive, I can just use the word illiterate? Because
Not necessarily. We have learned men who abuse their wives.
Really?
And yes, they do. And they abuse them behind closed doors. And then they'll tell them, make sure that they won't beat them on their faces. They'll hit them on their bodies. Do you think I've not seen such cases? The woman has scars all over her body. She's been burnt. She's been cut by machetes all over her body. The husband is educated.
Okay. And also, do you think it's only in our village or?
Not in our village. I'm talking about our community. It's something that's rampant in Kenya or in Africa in general. But I'm going to talk about our community because we are starting from home. You cannot go and clean your neighbor's house when your own house is filthy.
That, yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Really now I understand that.
So now we clean our own
yeah.
house. When our house is sparkling clean to near perfection, not perfection, but to near perfection. And then now we shall go to our neighbor's house because our neighbor will ask us, how can you come to my house? In your own house, rats have infested there, snakes are living there, lizards are there, everything vile is there.
Okay, and one last question.
Yes.
Have you ever realized that nowadays people or the society is prioritizing the women rights more than men rights?
Are they really?
Yeah.
Are they really?
Yeah, like
Are
you're now.
they really? No, let me tell you. Not in that political sense of that women should go to school. Women have been going to school since.
Yeah.
My mother went to school in the 40s, in the 50s. then when women were not supposed to go to school. Are they really prioritizing women, or is it just a political?
No, let me ask. We have children rights. We have women rights.
We've always had them.
No, man.
Have you ever heard of
Yes, they are
men's
men's
rights?
rights. Yes, they are.
They're human
There's even a
human
society.
rights.
There's even a society that deals with the men's rights. It's called
Really?
Something wanaume. Something ya wanaume. I can remember it. It's there. It's actually there. Something ya wanaume. Wanaume means men, but I'm trying to remember that name. Yes, they're there. But now, when the man is the oppressor, you men are the oppressors. So when a man is the oppressor and you're oppressing women and children, so whose rights? Are we supposed to fight for your rights and you're the ones who are oppressing us? How is it
Really?
possible? You cannot tell me about children's rights when majority of you men, when I talk about men, I'm talking about the society in general. Or 95, let me just say 98 to 95% of the men in our society, they are narcissists, they are abusive. Yeah? They are not human. They don't have that human quality whereby you go like, this is my fellow human being. This could be my mother. This could be my sister. When you are saying that, or when you ask me a question like that, how many times have you witnessed a man or a lady being attacked, even in the market, even on the streets, and you have not spoken about it? I am sure there are certain times that you have done that. You go like, it's not my business. That could be your sister.
Yeah, but also
That could be your daughter.
You don't know this
we
thing.
have
That could be
we
your
have
mother.
some also like ladies who beat their husbands very
Thoroughly.
Very
thoroughly.
good. In fact, I clap for
Why
them.
didn't you
Kudos to you women.
Why didn't you talk about that?
Because you know what?
Thoroughly.
The ratio or the statistics, that percentage is so low. The percentage is so low. Give me an example of even 2 Korean men or men in our society who are actually beaten by their wives. They are very
We have
few.
a lot.
They are very few.
A lot of people.
I have never
It's just
seen.
because that
For me,
men
yeah,
it's
we
hard
can't-
for
Yeah,
them
then
to
go to
disclose.
Sharia Wanaume.
Yeah.
I think it's called that. Sharia Wanaume, and complain about. I'm not going to speak about men's problems because number one, I'm not a man, and number two, majority of my abusers and majority of the abusers who abuse the people who come to me are men.
You know, even us, we are trying
So
to be
for
on
me,
our side.
the
Like
man in this
even the man
situation
is beaten.
the problem.
Yeah, but I really yeah. Okay, I'm really into like your organization.
I'm sorry,
because,
I just
yeah.
get carried away, guys.
Yeah, it's okay. It's a very good conversation and very genuine. And even me, I say, even men are getting beaten.
Huh? Who's beating men?
A lot of men are being oppressed by
who?
their
Even
women.
me.
How?
Like for
Is
me,
the man sexually abused by women? Is the man mutilated by a woman? Is
Like,
the man mutilated by a woman? Cut. Maybe they are beating her and the man is being mutilated and cut into pieces.
I've
Is
heard
the
of
man
that.
the one going through sexual abuse through a woman's hands? Forget it. Majority of the oppressors are men, and I'm going to continue saying this.
Yeah.
And the time that you men discover that women are also human beings,
Yeah.
the day that you, my brothers from the Korea community, my brothers from Africa will discover that
Even
women
men are
are
human
human. Listen, you people have the upper hand in everything. If I go for a job, majority of the times, and there are like 10 men who also applied for that job, automatically, one of the men is going to get that job. If I don't get the job, if I get it, probably it's because, not because of my qualifications, maybe I'm more qualified than they are. I'll probably get it maybe if I sleep with the boss, or sleep with the HR manager, or sleep with the director. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So don't think that men are more oppressed than women.
Yeah, of course.
Men are not the one in your
even men,
community.
you know,
Men are not the one in your community.
I think we're the same.
Listen, men
think-
are not the one in your community who decide that I have to do what I have to do for my children to eat. Majority of you Korean men do not even provide even one meal for your families. Yes. Majority.
don't say Korea.
Majority, I've
Don't say
seen,
Korean
yes,
men.
Korean men. Majority of them are not the breadwinners in their homes. Majority of them, even when they make money, yes, their money goes to bars, to gambling, I don't know, to their girlfriends, their side chicks, but in their houses, the women and the children are suffering. They cannot even, they go into the forest and pick wild vegetables. You know that for a fact. Stop pretending as if you're living in a different world.
No.
You know.
Like,
even he's laughing, he knows.
No. Like, you know what I'm trying to say is like,
Yes.
people are different. Not everyone.
Listen,
is the
Maja,
same.
listen. Don't. When I talk like that, I'm not attacking you, and I'm not attacking Pope.
Yeah.
Right? I'm just talking in general, and you know
Yeah.
that this is something that's there. Have you never had a situation? There was a time you were giving out pads to girls. Why is it that you were giving out pads to girls? Where are these girls' parents? Where are these girls' fathers? The man is supposed to stand with the girl child and say, okay, my daughter is going through puberty. I'm a man. Let me go to work. Majority of you go to work to get money, to get drunk, or to gamble. And majority of you live in bars. That is the truth. You have put alcohol is your first wife, alcohol is your second wife, alcohol is your third wife. Majority of the women who come to my house, they don't come there because they want to come there. They come there because they have nothing to eat. And when they ask for money, they are beaten. True or false? You
That
know.
is a new thing.
This man is...
Let's call a spade. Let's call a spade.
You
a
know what I'm
spade.
saying? It's true, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's true.
So
but,
stop behaving as if it's not something it's something that's shameful. 2024. 2024. The girl child does not even have sanitary pads. She has a father and a mother. The mother should go and look for food. Will till people's land. Laborers, hand laborers every day for 300, 500 shillings. Less than how much? How much is 500 shillings? Like $4? Yes.
Yeah.
$4.
Yeah.
That $4 now, what will you buy in Kenya? Right now, if I give you $4 and I tell you have 6 kids, you have no flour for ugali.
6 kids.
You have, yes. So majority of Koreans have one child. Do they have one child? Majority of households, how many children?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah,
6 children.
True.
So this woman is supposed to buy pads, buy food, cooking oil, buy... come on, please. Please.
Yeah.
Men are
But
the
for
person-
me, what I know, even from let's say from my parents, me I know
Your parents are different.
Yeah, that's why I
parents-
said people are different. So let me also protect my parents.
No. You don't have to see. I'm
Like-
not attack. That's the thing I told you. I'm not attacking you. We're talking
Yeah.
about things that are general. Just
Yeah.
like the way we're talking about FGM.
Yes.
That's the way we're talking about teenage pregnancy. It doesn't mean that in your family there are people who have gotten pregnant teenage pregnancy. Is there anybody? No. You understand?
Yeah.
So we're not attacking you. We're talking about the community in general. It's
Yes.
a good community. We are good people, but we need to be better.
Okay. So get my point. It's not like I'm trying to come back for you. I'm just saying like for me, my parents, I see them like they do like shopping every month, and they go they do shopping in bulk. So that maybe my dad has
How many
connected.
households? How many households per pay?
No, there
How
are
many
other
households?
families
Yeah,
that are not
No.
capable of doing
We are
that.
talking about the people who are not capable. And understand, out of 100%, 20% maybe are able to do the bulk shopping.
Yeah.
What about
Yes.
those who live from
I'm
hand
trying to
to mouth.
protect. I'm
Yeah.
trying to also to protect.
We're not talking about them
Not to
because the
protect,
problems
yes.
we're talking about. See, the person who does shopping in bulk does not come to my house. True or false?
Yeah,
True.
Yeah?
Sure.
The person who does shopping in bulk will not come to you and tell you, I don't have money for pads for my daughter. Please help me. The person who does shopping in bulk is comfortable.
Yeah.
They're very
So
comfortable.
I'm trying also to protect the
See,
people who
if it's talking about shopping in
Yeah,
bulk,
the
I do
men.
shopping in bulk. My
You know-
mom's family does shopping in bulk.
Yeah.
So we're not talking about us. With my upbringing, I don't have to do what I have to do. I'm doing right now, you understand? But I love it and I choose to do it because it's something that I'm very passionate about. I can live life. See, don't live if you cannot live in a glass house and think that everyone else is living in a glass house.
exactly. Yes, true.
Do you understand? Because you're living in a permanent house. There's somebody who right now with this rains, when it's raining like this,
Maybe
they are
in
being rained on.
that house is called
A thatched house, yes,
Yeah.
a mud house. They are being rained on. There's somebody as we speak today, you're going to actually have maybe a very good meal in your house, a 3-course meal.
Maybe. Maybe, yeah.
No, you're going to have a 3-course meal. Okay,
You never
okay.
know.
No, I'm just
The
saying.
people who feed
No, there are people
1 meal.
who, even that 1 meal a day is hard.
Yeah.
And that's where now the teenage pregnancy comes in. Because now your person has like 2-3 teenage girls there.
Sure.
The holidays right now are very
And also, sorry to cut you short, I saw some lady in Nigeria. Her mother died, and their parent, okay, her
She's
parents.
an orphan.
She's an orphan, and they live in a place like the rain is too much, and even inside the house, the bedroom is full of water. So I saw one lady going there to visit them, and it was very sad for me because I saw it on TikTok. It was very sad because she went there and just gave her money, but I don't think giving the money was a solution.
What would have been
I
the
think
solution?
maybe moving them from where they were.
Probably the money that she gave her was to.
You never know. You know,
her.
sometimes money is never good. When you get money like these guys, that now this money, even if I come and give you like this money,
But do
you
you
have to move
understand-
from here.
I'm sorry to interrupt you, but
Yeah.
in that case, I don't mind the fact that she was given
Yeah,
that
yeah.
money, because as much as I will come and see where you're living and feel sorry for you, I may
Yeah.
not truly know the root of your problem. The root of that girl's problem, maybe it was like, I have to persevere in this house and I have to finish school. She could have been in school. Maybe she could not pay her school fees. So which one is more important?
Pay
At that
school
particular-
fees.
Yes,
don't
because
give.
when she
Yeah.
gets that education, that is when she's going to remove herself from that
Yeah.
poverty or poor place and move her parents from there. You understand? Assume now, okay, maybe the money she was given, she was told, okay, go and pay rent. Yeah? When she pays the rent and she doesn't have school fees, what happens now? What else will that girl do?
Yeah.
Where do you think that girl is going to head to?
Yeah, exactly. And the lady has had also a baby.
Exactly.
Yeah, but
That's what I'm telling you. Where do you think if she paid, okay, assume maybe we're assuming, right? Assume the girl was in school and then she was living in that house. Assume now she wanted to, maybe she had fee balance. She's been living in that house. She's okay with that situation at that point. But she has to finish school. She has now, there's a conundrum because now she has to either move to another house or pay her school fees, finish her education, get a job and leave that place. So which one would have been better? If
Yeah.
I paid for the house, I don't have money for school fees. So now I'll go back to the same cycle. Now again, I'll go and look for a man to take care of me, or I'll go and look for a job. In that job, I'll meet a man. The man will lie to me that he loves me with my child because I'm a teenage, I'm a young mother. Lie to me, I love you so much, I'll take care of your child. I've paid the rent, right? I've gotten a new house. I don't have money for school fees. I have a job. I meet someone. The person decides, okay, I've met you. Then she gets pregnant again, the person runs away. Is she not in a worse position than she was?
So me, I think the better way is ask, what is your biggest problem?
Do you know that most people will not tell you?
Yeah, maybe that.
Most people will not open up
But
to
for
you
me,
immediately.
if I have to do something for anyone, I will. I don't know, guys. You can tell us down the comment section. For me, I will ask.
Of course you ask, but nobody will ever tell you
What
100%
is your
that my biggest problem. What if my biggest problem is fear, and that fear is what has led me to living that life?
I will build or make
Will you buy courage?
No.
Exactly.
I will.
So,
I will advise you maybe.
I get what you're saying. I like.
So
what you're
guys,
saying.
the reason why I give this, maybe ask these hard questions or be on this side is just that I want her to talk what she just told us, guys, and that is very educative, and that is what we want, like to know more. It's very educative. So I don't ask to maybe I'm not like opposing.
Oh, neither am I.
I just ask to I just ask for her to tell us what she just said.
Don't worry, this is my younger brother. You're always frustrating like that. Guys, don't take me wrong. Nobody should be offended.
Yeah,
but about the male parts being the oppressor, yes, that's 100%.
Yeah. But guys, we have the information home, and that is always what I want her to talk about, so that you guys can know what is happening, not even in Africa, in the world,
Yes.
of course.
Yes.
So that is what I always want when I meet her, because I know when I ask, she will answer, and she's answering very well. I really appreciate that. That's why I told you she's very hard, very hard. Hey, if you come here, you come with power.
Exactly.
Yeah, with power. So guys, we really love you so much, and thank you so much for supporting. And in any way, if you want to support her to help
Go to
our
my
community,
channel,
go to her channel.
Journey of 1,000 Voices.
Exactly. And help her. We will be doing more videos on her channel and on this channel, of course, also, so that we can give you more information about education.
No,
Education of
information.
yeah,
Educational information about the topics that we speak about.
exactly. Hey, English is
That's all right.
yeah,
All right,
but
guys.
anyway, guys, she's my sister, my big sister. I really love you. Thank you so much, sister, for
No problem.
being
You're
here,
always welcome.
taking your time, being on my channel, educating people here, young ladies, not even, not only young ladies, also young men.
We
and-
learn every day. We
Yeah,
learn
yeah,
something
we
new
learn,
every day.
yes.
So that's good.
Yes.
Yeah.
So as you know, I'm always positive. This is Maja_KE, the only village buga in Nyabohanse. Peace and love, and say, watch the space. Until our next video, guys. Peace and love. Support her.